no, maybe no next time.
Nope, we're already back.
Make it stop happening. Hip hop and napping. No hippopotamus.
This is dumb. I hate this game. I hate this fucking game, dude.
I was having fun. I felt like we were getting better at the main game. I would want to try this again some farther down the line, revisit this. There's a lot of love for this game, and I'm seeing why. I think
Who loves this game?
I hear.
Why do you keep saying that?
Because I always see this on fucking lists of some of the best fucking games.
Where do you see that?
For fucking Super Nintendo, all over the internet. Seriously, fucking search fucking best games for Super Nintendo, and this game is always one of the ones that come up.
I don't. They're full of shit. They're full of fucking shit. I hate this game. This game is the hardest game in the world.
Yeah, well, I mean, lots of games,
Look at this.
on Nintendo and Super Nintendo.
We can't even
work.
shoot these things.
Yeah, I'm shooting them down, just not all of them. I got 22. Check out my fucking score.
I'm just gonna keep it right in the middle. I'm just gonna keep it right here.
Check me the fuck out, keeping it real here, fucking on the water here in fucking doing it up bass style. Doing some of that Bay Area pedestrian shit, boy.
What does that even mean? What does that mean? Pedestrian?
I don't know.
What does that mean?
I've seen.
Just fucking.
I don't know.
Just hit start. Just hit start.
Versus or game start?
Oh, game start. None of that versus bullshit. Oh my god.
Let's do this.
Oh my god.
I'm really surprised you agreed to do more of this.
I'll give it the benefit of the doubt.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. So remember,
just...
this is the opening level. This is before we can.
I know. I have not forgotten that.
Okay. Cool.
That's how much
we've gotten better at this, though.
Okay. Sure. Yeah. Yeah. All right. I agree with that. God damn it! God damn it!
You knew how to take him down too.
I didn't see him.
Okay.
I'm at the edge of the screen, he could just pop up and be like, "Stop, man."
Whoa! There's guys in the window and on the fucking truck.
What's jump? Oh, jump is B.
There you go. Oh no shit! Fuck! Oh no!
Fuck! Ah, no! Fuck
Watch
you!
out! Ah! Fuck!
Fuck you! Oh!
Yeah, make sure to use bombs too. We get refreshed on every level, so it's really shit. It's really cool.
Okay, fine. I'm just out here trying to live right now. I'm just trying to. Concentrating on trying to live past this frustrating first level.
We out here just trying to live.
Just trying to live.
In this Bay shit.
What?
Trying to live.
No.
Tryna. Tryna. I don't know why people spell it like that. It's because it's lazy. Hey, we won.
Okay.
And we only used one bomb.
Cool. We beat the introductory level. Awesome.
Very much.
And we're still not even done yet.
That's right.
Because we forgot about this level.
Okay, well, we got this.
Fuck!
No, well, I mean, the boss was not hard. You just gotta get to him. And it's pretty easy.
I'm shooting out all those bottles.
You have bombs that you're not using. You should probably use them.
Well, I will. Okay, right now. I'll use them right now.
Oh, damn.
Get those fucking robots because they suck.
Oh, damn, look at.
I'm just staying in one spot.
There is
basically
dynamite on the floor.
I know there's no...
On the floor.
Stabby guys.
So we got low.
God damn it, dude. Oh my god.
Alright.
Alright. This is... Okay.
Here's the purple guy.
Not so hard.
Not from Five Nights at Freddy's.
What?
He's wearing purple. I called him the purple guy.
Oh yeah, alright.
I
remember him.
He shot me. Fucking purple guy shot me.
Fucking Michael Jackson, dude.
You.
He got you. This fucking introductory level, dude. It's brutal.
It's like you're gonna do a stage with like a boss, and then you're gonna do a boss.
Oh shit, I forgot about this one too. God damn it.
And then you're gonna do a bigger boss.
And then you're gonna do a bigger boss. Yeah. This is like...
it's almost making me wonder if like we beat that boss. That in each level that we're coming up, like what if there's a bigger boss behind it that we just don't know about because we haven't got there yet?
Oh, like a fourth level after the third one?
And we just don't know because we haven't gotten there yet.
Like I would be so fucking done.
Dude, use your bombs. This is like it.
Hold on.
We're gonna choose a level after this and get refreshed on bombs.
Okay.
You have fucking 3. There we go.
All right. Okay, not so bad.
See what I mean?
You got bombs.
Yeah.
Well, I guess the bomb is really the end-all, be-all kind of thing. If you're up against the boss.
It definitely helps.
Yeah.
It's kind of necessary. Necessary.
Wow, 96,000 points? Awesome! Woo!
Okay. So, what's it gonna be? You choose this time.
I think I'm gonna do Penis Train.
Alright, Sentinel's dick.
Sentinel's dick.
Designed by Boulevard Trask himself. Every centimeter of that train. Meticulously drawn by Boulevard Trask.
Every little detail.
Every minute
line and crevasse.
Every pipe mimicking a vein.
Every throbbing train car. God damn it. I can't concentrate on this shit.
I'm having a really hard time too. Just imagining like
Fuck.
Omar Trask just sitting at a desk. Just
Like-
Peter Dinklage just looking so fucking like focused on drawing the most realistic robot dick ever to be a fucking train.
He's just like, no, but it's the penis of these giant robots that hunt down mutants.
It's he's just disguising it as like as train so you can make them.
He loves penis. And he's
Yeah,
in a
because they were
closet.
probably like, why would you why would you make such a detailed dick for these sentinels? And he's like, no, it's not a sentinel dick. These are blueprints for a train.
Oh my god. I agree. I think that's a good place to end it. It's not a penis.
It's not a robot's dick. They're blueprints for a train. And he's just so dedicated that they have to they make the fucking train. Like he's just so he makes the train. Oh my god. I would love.
My eyes
I would fucking love. If there's like a transformer. So every time a sentinel was near a train, it could latch onto his fucking crotch.
And use it as like a weapon?
And be that dick that Boulevard Trask always wished it would have. Full-on laser coming out of the tip.
Right out of the fucking tip, dude. Not a laser, but a goddamn claser. Oh
god.
Fucking Boulevard Trask.
My fucking sides right now.
Dude, I have a fucking headache.
I'm crying. I'm crying from laughing so hard right now.
Alright, that's a...
Can you imagine Peter Dinklage just screaming that at people at Boulevard Trask.
I think that's a good place to stop. All right, goodbye, everyone.
Thank you for watching us play Wild Arms. Sorry we suck. We'll try again. I swear.
Boulevard
I swear we'll try again.